Hi, this is Chris, or some people call me Grandma Neep Neep, and there's a story to that, but that'll be another time. I just wanted to welcome you to Wellness Wednesday and hope that you have every day being well. I have kind of made a little turn here by the suggestion of my daughter, and also I have younger grandchildren that are far away from me, and I love children's books. And my niece shared this with me. And the theme is kind of Australia here a little bit because that's where this author is from. And her name is Kate Knapp. She lives in Queensland. And actually, her grandmother, who's in the story, um, lived in London. She lived there, but now she's back. Anyway, here we go. So it's called Ruby Red Shoes. And I want to share this with you because it's super cute and it's a great story. And I will try and share this with you so you can enjoy it too. Okay. So Ruby Red Shoes is a white hare. Ruby Red Shoes was given her name when she was a baby. Her tiny feet would get as cold as river pebbles, so her kindly grandmother knitted her a pair of red shoes. See, she's up there in her grandma's arms with her red shoes on. They were the color of radishes, and when anyone tried to take them off her feet, she would squeal. Okay, here's the picture here. Since then, Ruby has always worn red shoes. So she has a whole closet full of red shoes. Ruby Red Shoes lives with her grandmother in a prettily painted caravan. Her grandmother's name is Babushka Galina Galushka. Babushka means grandmother, Galina means calm, and Galushka means dumpling. She is soft and cuddly and smells of violets, which are her favorite flowers. Babushka Kalushka encourages Ruby to be an aware hare, treating everyone's feelings as well as her own with great care. Feelings are just like delicate birds' eggs, she likes to say. Be as gentle as you can with them. She also showed Ruby how to talk with all animals, plants, and trees, and to respect every living thing's important place on this earth. The colorful caravan is warm and cozy, and friends are always welcome. Looks like a tea party. It is filled with all the things that Ruby and Babushka Kalushka love. Oh, there's lots of things there. There are generous teacups for hot drinks, feathery quilts to snuggle up in, jars of colorful buttons, and posies of flowers, and pots and rugs. There are soft, warm chairs and places to drift off and snooze. One of Ruby's most cherished places is the glorious deep bathtub. It sits on grand feet shaped like a lion's paws. Sometimes when Ruby is submerged up to her chin, she imagines the bathtub suddenly deciding it's tired of standing still and running off into the forest with her bobbing along inside. It sounds like an exciting adventure until she begins to feel seasick. Ruby loves gardening and grows all her own vegetables, fruits, herbs, and flowers. Much of her day is spent in the garden. There are always many things to do, seedlings to be planted, watered, and busy, buzzy bees to be calmed with gentle words. She loves to sing sweet songs to everything that grows. The garden is filled with delicious food to eat, green peas eaten straight from the pod, sweet, happy mint, crunchy carrots cut into twigs for snacking. Ravishing radishes, blushing peaches, blackberries which make little hands a pretty berry color. Ruby's wonderful garden is also home to a jazzy group of chickens. Ruby gives the chickens all the things they need to be happy, a safe and comfortable home, and tasty and nourishing food to nibble. To keep them fabulously fit, Ruby teaches the hens to play soccer with plums. They cheat dreadfully. Ruby's chickens are curious and clever. They love to learn, so Ruby teaches them French, which they adore. Now they ask for baguettes and croissants to eat instead of ordinary breadcrumbs. Ruby loves the peace and stillness in her garden. The floating butterflies, dancing green leaves, and whispering trees are perfect for soothing and aware hare. Ruby enjoys little naps in the cool grass. Often she daydreams, watching the breezes, tickling the leaves, or hurrying lazy clouds through the powder blue sky. The clothesline makes happy snapping noises as the billowy linen tries to fly away in the wind. After a busy day in the garden, Ruby welcomes bedtime, and Babushka Galushka tucks her under her cozy quilt and reads her a story. Together they look out at the marvelous velvety night sky and thank the millions of magical stars staying up all night to watch over their happy caravan. Good night. Sleep tight. There's the author. Okay, so love the Ruby Red Shoes stories, and Australia reminds me of a special oil that is called the oil of energetic boundaries, and that is tea tree oil. So what I wanted to share with you about this special oil, it's a single oil. It cleans blemishes and protects your skin. It helps your immune boosting and purifies the air. It helps to clean and strengthen nails and is also good for lice and bug repellent, also for mouth sores and gum health and skin irritations and scalp care and the respiratory support. But it is the oil of energetic boundaries, so it helps you to feel empowered, clear your boundaries and standards, have a healthy collaboration, equal with and have respectful relationships. So 10 ways, and I'll repost these so that you can have these exactly. But one thing I did want to mention is that it's also available in a roll-on, which I love because then it's easier application. It has the fractionated coconut oil already with it, so you can just apply it topically like that and rub it on. You don't have to think about diluting it if your skin's sensitive. So just apply a couple drops for skin irritations. You can use it as a cleaning spray, a do-it-yourself all-purpose cleaning spray. You can also use it to freshen the air. You can add it to a sinus steamer. You can apply a couple drops to your facial cleanser. Also put it behind and around your ears. That would be for swimmer's ear or problems with your ears. Then you can put a few drops on your chest for respiratory support, and also put it on your abdomen for digestive support. So those are some of the things that I wanted to share with you about tea tree that comes out of Australia. And also a fun fact is a population of kangaroos roam the plantation from which doTERRA's tea tree oil is sourced. So we have some kangaroos running around there, and it's just an amazing oil that is a gift of the earth, and just wanted to share that with you, along with Ruby Red Shoes, Kate Knapp's book of about a very aware hare. So I hope that you enjoyed that, and I look forward to seeing you next Wellness Wednesday. Let me know if you like the story or if you have a favorite one. I'd love to hear it. Thanks for being on.